Thank you for watching this video made by Techpro CNC Machinery. This is CNC Wood lathe machine, mainly process staircase columns, vases, tables and chairs legs, European furniture Roman columns, wine barrels, wooden hangers, cylindrical, conical curved spheres and other complex shapes of revolving wood products or wooden semi-finished products. This machine with double knife and double spindles can process 2 cylinders with length 1500 mm and diameter 300 mm. If you want to know detailed information of this machine, please contact with our company, Techpro CNC Machinery. Thanks.